Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we'll be looking at moving geometry up to geometry on screen and copying it at the same time. So we've already seen copy and paste, and we also know that you can move geometry on screen one way or the next. If you hold down the Ctrl key, you can copy it as you move it one way or the next. And we also know that you can take geometry and with the Upto tool guide, move it up to geometry on screen. What you may not have known is that with the Upto tool guide, while holding Ctrl, you can copy it and move it up to geometry on screen. So now that we've seen a simple example, let's look at something a little bit more complex. So here we have a casting of 3 cylinders, and we might want to change this to 5. So I can insert a few planes, dividing the model up, and I'll slice and dice the model to isolate one section. And once we have that isolated, we might want to take it and expand it by moving one solid all the way to the left. We're not going to make any exact measurements, because now that we have the solid here, we can move our move tool, hold Upto and Ctrl to copy that up to the geometry on the left, giving us 4 cylinders. And if we do that again, by clicking Upto tool guide and holding Ctrl, we'll copy that solid again. Now you can see we have 5 cylinders that we're dealing with. So all we have to do to finish this off would be to combine the geometry back together on one side. Maybe we still have that gap in the middle, so we'll have to move the geometry back to the other model. We can do that the same way. We'll just drag that up to the model on the other side, but this time we won't hold Ctrl to copy it. And now we still have 3 solids remaining. We'll just combine the rest of the geometry together, and now we have converted our 3-cylinder model into 5 using Move Upto. So thank you for watching today's tips and tricks. I hope this helps in your modeling.